E.T. was possibly the first alien character that viewers truly adored. His cute and curious looks and gentle temper warmed the hearts of E.T. fans all over the world. But where did the character concept come from, and how was E.T. even made? Here are 5 extraordinary facts about E.T. 1. 3 different actors voiced E.T. Creating the voice of E.T. was challenging, as when the film was produced in 1982, special effects were very limited. The first voice of E.T. was Steven Spielberg himself, as he read from the script to help the children actors practice their scenes. This was later replaced with the voice of Deborah Winger, however, this didn't make the final cut. The main voice of E.T. was Pat Welsh, who was not an actor at the time, but had the perfect deep raspy voice that Spielberg had envisioned for E.T. She was a chain smoker and claimed to have smoked 2 packs of cigarettes a day to maintain her rough voice whilst recording for E.T. Her voice was mixed with the sounds of animals breathing for the final edit. 2. E.T. was produced into a puppet to use on screen. The robotic puppet was bolted into the floor so that the cables could be fixed in place but hidden. However, Spielberg had to hire Caprice Roth, a mime artist, to control E.T.'s hands. Roth provided smooth, lifelike hand gestures, unlike the sharpness of the robot. She wore gloves that were the same texture as E.T.'s skin so her hands would blend in with the rest of the puppet. 3. 3 different actors were hired to play E.T. There were many versions of E.T. created to suit different scenes. For full body shots that showed E.T. walking around, 2 actors were hired. Tamara Detrow and Pat Billen, both around 2 feet 10 and 86 centimeters tall, wore E.T. suits for the scenes where the alien is walking around. As well as these 2 actors, 12-year-old actor Matthew Demerit, born with no legs, played E.T. in scenes where the alien fell over. Demerit had a specially designed E.T. suit that allowed him to walk on his hands. 4. E.T.'s favorite candy was supposed to be M&M's. In the movie, E.T.'s favorite candy is Reese's Pieces, and it is used to lure him back home, but Spielberg wanted it to be M&M's. The Mars Corporation, which owned M&M's, refused to let Spielberg use their candy, as E.T.'s favorite treat, so Spielberg approached Hershey's instead. Hershey's were launching their Reese's Pieces, so they saw an opportunity to market their new product. Hershey's paid $1 million to Spielberg for promotional rights. E.T. was released on June 11, 1982, and within 2 weeks of the premiere, Reese's Pieces sales rose by 65%. 5. E.T. has no specified gender. There are key details about E.T.'s background that aren't shared in the movie. An interview with Spielberg revealed that the character of E.T. was intended to be genderless, more like a plant than a mammal. There is also no time or date given to suggest when E.T. was born or created. However, the novelization of the movie stated that E.T. was over 10 million years old. E.T. was the first alien that the audience could sympathize with and fall in love with. His kind-hearted and innocent character created a new take on aliens, and opened our minds to what could be out there. E.T. was not an easy character to create, but with dedication and an array of actors, mime artists, and voice actors, the perfect alien was formed.